Anthony Hobson, Science Guy.
Just like our bodies, the surface of the world is about 70% of water. You can find in oceans, rivers, and lakes in its liquid state. In its solid state, water is ice. It's good for keeping things cold. When it melts, it becomes water, the liquid state. It can be used as a refreshing drink to water your plants, and it is a habitat for animals. At 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit, it becomes steam, or in its gas state.
We will be right back after these messages.
He once fought a bear for a bottle of water. When he walks, the rain falls backwards. He divorced his wife because he caught her drinking a soda.
I don't always drink water, but when I do, I prefer purified. Stay thirsty, my friends.
And we're back!
If there's too much water, plants will drown, and because of that, animals will die of starvation.
Oh my goodness!
Animals, like this one, get their water from oceans, streams, and rivers, while plants get their water from soil and rain.
You could see evaporation on a hot day like today. All you need is a hose and hot cement. First you spray the hose on the cement, like so, and you watch it evaporate. That's so cool!
After the water evaporates, it turns into clouds, which is called condensation. When the water in the clouds becomes too heavy, it rains. This is called precipitation.
Oh, oops. Sadly, that was the last episode of Anthony Hobson, the Science Guy. He was killed by some unknown person, but don't worry because I'm taking over. I'm going to be the new host, Joseph Cruz, the Science Guy. And we'll be starting next week. Tune in.
I rise to the sky from the sea below. Then down to the ground as the rain and snow.
I represent the movement of water, that's my purpose. Whether on, above or below the earth's surface. In the continuous cycle, my work's never done, cause I'm driven by energy from the sun. I travel through the sea, through the air, through the ground. You could say that water really gets around, but in fact most water's just chilling in the oceans. Only a small fraction is really in motion at any given time, but yo, that's the way it goes. When we're studying the voyages of H2O, in the cycle water changes states at various places, of 3 states being ice, liquid, and water vapor. But this cycle strays from the norm, cause through the process water still keeps the same structural form. While other cycles involve chemical change, water may change states but its structure stays the same. I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow. I keep it moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain is slow. I keep it moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, cause I'm the water cycle. So when water transforms from liquid to gas and rises up into the atmosphere, that's evaporation. A process made possible by energy from the sun, also known as solar radiation. And when this water vapor in the sky reforms into liquid water droplets, that's condensation. And when this water falls back down to the earth as rain, snow, hail, or sleet, that's precipitation. Plants have their own type of evaporation through their stomata, which is called transpiration. So collectively the term used for transpiration plus all other evaporation is evapotranspiration. Two more terms to add to your collection. The movement of water through the air is advection. And speaking of keeping it moving, understand that runoff is water flowing across the land. I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the